So children, that volcanic mountains formed with the volcanic activities. Okay, and the mountain that is a Kilimanjaro in Africa and mountain Fujiama in Japan are example of such mountains. Okay, mountains are very useful. Children, how these volcanic mountains formed? I told you earlier also there are the three layers of the earth. Yes, you know. Nana, we have talked about this one. Okay. So these are the three layers of the earth. First one is crust. Second one is mantle. And third one is core. Second one is mantle. And third one is core. So what happened, children? This is the layer of the core, which is the last layer. Okay, I told you that is the filled with the molten magma. Yes, this is the molten magma, and it is continuously boiling up with a high pressure or a heat. It just produces the gases and vapor, heat. You know? Yes. I told you. Have you remember it? Yes. So when this pressurizes the other layers, okay, then it becomes like mantle also. Okay, when this, I give you the one example of your one bowl. If you are putting a one bowl with a fill of boiling water and covered with the lead, okay, after some time what would happen? By the pressure of the gas, क्या होता है? प्लेट नीचे गिर जाती है ना? Yes, ma'am. ठीक है? So same with this volcanic activities क्या होती है? जब अर्थ के अंदर के लेयर से प्रेशर्स लगते हैं चिल्ड्रन, तो व्हाट वुड हैपन जो अर्थ क्रस्ट होता है वो क्या है? इवेलेटेड हो जाता है. इवेलेटेड हो जाता है, दैट इट बिकम्स लाइक अ दिस शेप. ओके, these are called this is the shape of the same mountains we ever see that. Same वही शेप होती है जो हम लोग देखते हैं, but in this mountain it is filled of magma. These type of mountains are filled with magma, heat, gas. Okay, at a one pressure point, or this is the central point. Okay, even you can see the diagram of this volcanic mountain in your book. Okay, see that magma builds up here under enormous pressure. You can see it here. Yes, in your book, that is the right one. It creates a pressure on the earth crust layers. ठीक है? When the pressure becomes so high, what would happen? Then when it's turn out, ठीक है? वो क्या होता है? बाहर निकलने लगता है. ठीक है? When this magma comes out, that is called a lava. What is called it? Lava. Okay? So these are called the volcanic mountains. These are the three types of volcanic mountains, children. Here it is not given so brief. That is a active volcanic mountain. Some are dead volcanic mountains, and some are some means to say the third term is like जो dead भी है लेकिन active है but never blasted. Okay, and active volcanic mountain क्या होता है? It will be blast any time. ठीक है? वो कभी भी blast हो सकते हैं. And the dead volcanic mountains it never blast. ठीक है? हाँ. Dead volcanic DEAD dead volcanic mountains never blast. Okay? Active mountain any day any time it can be blast. Okay? ठीक है? So अब see how the mountains are useful for us. How these mountains useful for us? Anybody can tell me? Mountains useful for us. Children, mountains are very useful. The mountains are storehouse of water. All of you know that rivers always generate from the mountains. Yes, आप सबको पता है ना हमारी generated from the mountains. That's why these are called the storehouse of water, and the water is very essential for the human life. Okay. Many rivers have their sources in the glacier, in the mountains. Yes, some are perennial rivers, some are non-perennial rivers. मैंने आपको बताया था लास्ट क्लास में भी what do you understand by the perennial and non-perennial rivers. ठीक है? So बहुत सारी जो rivers होती हैं, they are also generated from the glaciers. The glacier से कैसे generate होती है children? When the sun heat falls on the glacier in the summer season, that glaciers start becoming melt. Okay? And when they start becoming melt, it's generate the water. Okay? So some rivers are generated from the glaciers. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Rivers are made and the water is harnessed for the use of people. Water from the mountains is also used for the irrigation and generating the hydroelectricity. You have studied about the hydroelectricity in your class where
Yes, ma'am.
the electricity is which is produced by the running water is called the hydroelectricity. है ना? The river valleys and the traces are ideal for the cultivation of crops. Yes? Underline it, class. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. Yes? The rich variety of flora and fauna. What do you mean by this? Flora and fauna, children? Do you know what is the meaning of flora and fauna? Flora, have you listened this word flora? Flora? Just try to correlate the things, children. You have listened this word floor. No. Florist, you know who's the florist? Florist? Florist means those who sells flower. इनकी flower shops होती है, वो आप क्या कहते हो? Florist कहते हो या नहीं कहते हो? Have you? आपने सुना है नहीं सुना ये word? Flora means flower, plants. Okay? So flora refers to all the plants life. Okay? Flora refers to plants and fauna refers to animal life. ठीक है? It is refers to speak out, children. Animal life. So this is a term, children, you have to learn. Okay? Flora means plants and all the plant, that is the aquatic plant, terrestrial plant, whatever the plants on the earth surface, that is the related to flora. And fauna means to say animals. ठीक है? Because these two terms will use in your higher section also as a biotic or abiotic. ठीक है? So these are the mountains are having a rich variety of flora and fauna. The forest provide fuel, folder, shelter. क्या क्या मिलता है forest से हमें?
Medicine, food.
So many things we have got from the forest also. So this all forest related to your plant. Now children will study about the plateau. So plateau is an elevated flat land. Elevated means मैंने आपको बताया था that is the heighted one. ऊपर उठा हुआ is the flat. Means it is elevated but flat land at the top. It is flat top is called a tableland standing above the surrounding area. Okay, means to say it is also called a tableland. Table, you know that? अभी देखो, you can take the example of your classroom, children. Okay, you can, if you just look at your surrounding, this is a plain floor.
Yes, ma'am.
But if I put the table here, so what is the shape of this floor? This is a even or that it is elevated and it is a flat. Means to say like this. This is a flat, elevated and a flat from the top.
Yes,
Okay? This is a table shape. It is called a table shape. आपको टेबल की शेप लग रही है ये?
Yes,
है ना? So this is it is called a plateau. So if the question will come in your exam, what is called a plateau? you can write. It is an elevated flat land. It is called a table-shaped land also. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So a plateau may have one or more side with a steep slope. Steep slope. So what do you mean by the steep slope, children? ये एकदम steep. कहते हैं ना बहुत चढ़ाई, steep, एकदम straight चढ़ाई होगी. What is the difference between the plateau and the mountain? Mountain shape is like that. Okay, and the plateau shape is like that, table shape. सीधा खड़ा कर दिया like this. Okay, this is the difference. So it is not having a steep slope, but the plateau is having a steep slope. That is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Okay. The height of the plateau often varies from few hundred meters to several thousand meters. Children, just like mountains. Mountains, you know, 600 meters to 8,000 meters. So in the same way, the height of the plateaus are also very different. It varies from the 100 meters to thousands meters. Okay. Plateau-like mountains be young or old. Same the plateaus, as we are having the young and old mountains. Same the plateaus are also having the young and old plateaus. Plateaus भी कैसे होते हैं आपके? Young and old. Same as the mountains. ठीक है children? Same as the mountains. The plateau is also having a young and old. Fine. Plateau-like mountains. The Deccan Plateau in the India is one of the oldest plateau. Underline this one, children. Okay. The Indian plateau is Deccan Plateau of India. What is the which plateau of India? Deccan. आपका कौन सा plateau मिलता है इंडिया में? Deccan Plateau of India is the oldest plateau. ठीक है? It is the oldest plateau. Underline this one also. The East African Plateau in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, and the Western Plateau of Australia are other examples. Underline this one, children. And you know that Tibet, have you listened to the word Tibet?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not a mountain. It is a plateau. Now see that the Tibet is very heighted. Yes. Tibet क्या है? बहुत heighted है? Height पर है? Yes. And you ever know that Tibet is a mountain or plateau? Have you ever known this? आपको पता था पहले? नहीं ना? So now you have to understand that Tibet is not a mountain, it's a plateau. Okay? ठीक है children? Okay. Now, and the height plateau in the world with a height of 4,000 to 6,000 meters above the main sea level. And what is the height of the Tibet plateau is 4,000 to 6,000 meters. 4,000 to 6,000 meters is the highest plateau of the world. And Deccan Plateau of India is the oldest plateau of the world. And this Tibet, what one is that? Tibet. Tibet is the highest plateau. It is the highest plateau of the world with a height of 4,000 meters to 6,000 meters. ठीक है, it's a very cold plateau. You know that it's a very cold area. Because it's very on a height. It's very on height. That's why it's very cold. ठीक है? Plateau are also very useful, children. Now see what we can do in that plateau areas. Plateau are very useful because they are rich in minerals. Why they are very useful? Because they are rich in minerals. Underline this one. As a result, many of mining areas in the world are located in the plateau area. Mining area, जानते हो children? What do you understand by this mining? Mining area. Natural resources mine होते हैं खान. You know, as a coal mine, gold mine, diamond mine. mines. So plateau region are very good resources or deposits of minings. Okay, cultivation नहीं है, minings है. Just a minute. Okay, mining area in the world are located in plateau areas. Underline it. The African plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. Underline this, children.
Yes, ma'am.
The African plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. In India, huge reservoirs of iron, coal, and magnesium. Underline this word.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
found in Chota Nagpur plateau. इंडिया का जो डेक्कन प्लेट्यू है चिल्ड्रन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू. इट इज रिच इन coal, magnesium and iron. And where is that gold and diamond mining? In Africa plateau. African plateau. So African plateau is famous for the gold and diamond, and the Indian Chota Nagpur plateau is famous for their iron, coal and magnesium. These three minerals we found in our India, that is in Chota Nagpur plateau. Understood? Okay, children. So plateau are the area where the several waterfalls also. Waterfalls, do you know? Or do you understand by the waterfalls?
Yes.
Yeah? है ना? As a river falls from the great height in India, the Mundra falls in Chota Nagpur plateau on the river Subhadrekha, and the Jog falls in Karnataka are example of such waterfalls. The lava plateau are rich in black soil, that they are fertile and good for cultivation. Many plateaus have a scenic beauty, are good of a great attraction of tourists. Children, why we have found so many waterfalls on the plateau region? हमें इतने सारे waterfalls क्यों मिलते हैं plateau region से? Why there are not so many rivers on the waterfalls we found it? Why? बताओ. Do you have answer of this? नहीं पता? See children, one thing here. Suppose the river is falling here. Okay? ठीक है? And all of a sudden there is a steep slope. So क्या होगा? What would happen? Water start like this, and this form of the falling water you call a waterfall.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So due to the height, due to the falls of the water from the highest point, that's why we found a so many waterfalls in the plateau region. Underline this line, children. This question I will definitely give it to you. Why we found so many waterfalls in the plateau region? So you will write the answer. There may be several waterfalls as the river falls from the great height. बहुत ऊंचाई से rivers जो हैं वो गिरती हैं नीचे. That's why we found so many waterfalls in the several waterfalls in the plateau region, because the rivers falls down from the great height. ठीक है? समझ में आया? That's why we got a several waterfalls in the plateau region. Which plateau is the famous for gold and diamond mining? Africa. And India? Which one of the oldest plateau we found in the India? Deccan plateau. That is a Chota Nagpur plateau. Clear है? Okay. Now we are talking about the plains. Okay, children? Started, you understand anything or you are looking outside only? Huh? Just a minute, okay? Now we will talk about the plains. I'll take your query. Plain, everybody knows about the plain or not? Yes. You know what is called a plain?
Yes, ma'am.
Plain areas, flat spread surface means बिल्कुल flat surface जो है अर्थ का, that is called a plain. Okay? And plain are large stretches of flat land. They are generally not more than 200 meters above the sea level. from the main sea level is only 200, not above this. So these areas are called the plain area, that is a flat surface. Okay, so we are going to study about the plains. Okay, so plains, all of you have seen the plain area according to you, but can you explain the plain in your own words, children? I think it's quite difficult to discuss this or explain plains in your own words, है ना, in a particular words. So that is a flat stretches of a मतलब long stretches of a flat lands. Stretches means दूर दूर तक फैला हुआ. Flat land means even land. I told you what is the difference between the even or uneven, है ना, बताया था. So this is a stretch lands and this is a flat lands. Okay, the large stretch area of a flat land, and that way I told you that plains are not more than 200 meters above from the sea level. Okay, that is not more than sea level. Not more than above sea level. Okay, children. As you know that hills are 600 meters to 8,000 of meters, है ना. तो flat area जितने भी होंगे, plains जो होंगे, वो हमारे sea level से कितने height पे होंगे? Maximum 200 meters, not more than this. Okay, children. And how these plains are formed? Okay, the main things that how the plains are formed. Children, listen it very carefully. ठीक है? So plains कैसे बनते हैं? You know that I told you if there is a erosion there on the mountains or the hills, erosion I told you, है ना? It is the wear away the soil. Yes? ठीक है? So this is a wearing away the soil, and this soils and this rebuild. Okay? Same here that you can see some plains are extremely level, other may be slightly rolling and undulating. Means बहुत कुछ plains जो होते हैं बहुत अच्छे से level plain होते हैं, even होता है, smooth surface होता है, but some plains are little bit up and down like that. ठीक है? Rollings and up and down like that. Okay. Now we are talking about how the plains are formed. ठीक है? Most of the plains are formed by the river and their tributaries. ठीक है? Mainly the plains are formed by the rivers and tributaries. The rivers flow down the slope of the mountain. Okay? When the rivers are falling down from the mountain, it just consists a stone.